Hey everyone, looking to update your TikTok profile picture? Changing your profile photo is a great way to refresh your look, stay current, or show off your personality. In this quick video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your profile photo on TikTok using your Android phone. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app, make sure you're signed in to your account, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. Tap your current profile picture or the Change Photo option. You can either take a photo with your camera or select from the gallery. Adjust the image as needed by zooming in or out, then tap Save or Confirm. Your new profile photo will now be updated and visible on your profile. And that's how you quickly and easily change your TikTok profile picture on Android. If this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a TikTok tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.